Afternoon, students. Today I am going to teach you one beautiful poem from 10th standard, unit number 4, poem number 1. The world is mine. The world is mine म्हणजे जग माझे आहे. It is a very beautiful poem. Before taking the poem, there is one good activity, chit chat activity. There are some questions. We can try to answer those questions. The first question is, what do you often complain to your parents, elders about? The answer will be, I often complain to my parents to give me a new school bag every year. According to my opinion. The second question is, name some of the things you have in your possession which your younger brother sister does not have. Answer, I have all study materials including study table and a lamp which my younger sister does not have. The fourth question, name one thing that at present you are craving to possess most of all. I am craving to possess a study table at present. Here another activity is here, chit chat activity. Fill in the table on your own. What makes me extremely happy? What makes me extremely sad? What makes me extremely happy? In this column, playing outdoor games makes me extremely happy. What makes me extremely sad? Studying mathematics makes me extremely sad. Eating sweets and chocolates makes me extremely happy. Punishment of teachers makes me extremely sad. Going for an exertion makes me extremely happy. Getting less marks makes me extremely sad. Shopping at different places makes me extremely happy. Staying alone at home makes me extremely sad. This way, now I will read this poem. Please listen very carefully. The name of the poem is The World is Mine. Name of the poetess is Joy Lovelett Crawford. Today on a bus, I saw a lovely girl with silken hair. I envied her. She seemed too gay, and I wished I was so fair. When suddenly she rose to leave, I saw her hobble down the aisle. She had one leg and wore a crutch, but as she passed a smile, oh God, forgive me when I whine. I have two legs, the world is mine. पहा, प्रस्तुत कविता जग माझे आहे, जॉय लवलेट क्रोफर्ड यांनी रचलेली आहे. कविता खूप प्रेरणादायी आणि आशावादी आहे. कवयित्री काही व्यक्तींना तिच्या भोवती पाहते, काही व्यक्तींचे शारीरिक व्यंग बघून जीवनाकडे पाहण्याची दृष्टी बदलते. पहा, the poetess sees some people around herself due to their appearance or physical impairment. One day means today means one day the poetess saw a lovely and beautiful girl in a bus. Today on a bus I saw a lovely girl with silken hair. The poetess saw a lovely and beautiful girl in a bus. I envied her, she seemed so gay, and I wished I was so fair. She had silken hair. The poetess was jealous of her charm. She was very charmed. The poetess was jealous of her charm. The girl looked very happy. The poetess thought that if she also were as beautiful as her, it would be very nice. When the poetess was engrossed in her thought, the girl rose to leave the bus. The girl was hobbling and walking through the passage between two rows of seats. The poetess felt pity for the lame girl. She was lame. She had only one leg. She realizes that her grip in front of that girl was nothing. She prayed to God to forgive her whenever she complained. She considered herself lucky to have two legs and walk normally. At that time, she thought the world was hers. सुंदर मुलगी पाहिल्यानंतर कवयित्रीला वाईट वाटलं तिच्या सौंदर्याबद्दल. ती जेव्हा बसमधून खाली उतरते ती लंगडी असते, एका पायाने चालत जाते. हे पाहिल्यानंतर कवयित्रीला वाटतंय मी किती सुदैवी आहे, कारण मला दोन पाय दिलेले आहे, म्हणून हे जग माझे आहे असं त्यांनी म्हणलेलं आहे. पहा नेक्स्ट स्टांजा. And then I stopped to buy some sweets. The lad who sold them had such charm. I talked with him. He seemed to calm, and if I were late, it would do no harm. And as I left, he said to me, I thank you. You have been so kind. It's nice to talk with folks like you. You see, I am blind. Oh God, forgive me when I whine. I have two eyes, the world is mine. The poetess stopped at a place to buy some sweets. The small boy was selling the sweets. He was very cheerful. The poetess talked to that boy. The boy looked very calm and decent in talk. The speaker thought that if she was late, it do not harm. It means she could easily get the sweets if she reached there late. When the speaker was about to leave, he thanked her and said that she was very kind. He said that it was nice to speak with people like her. The boy said that he was blind. That boy was the seller of sweet was blind. The speaker felt bad for him. The speaker prayed to God to forgive her when she complained. The speaker considered herself lucky that she had two eyes and could see anything. या स्टांजामध्ये जो स्वीट मिठाई विकणारा मुलगा सुंदर बोलतो परंतु तो आंधळा असतो. त्यावेळी कवयित्रीला वाटतंय की मी किती सुदैवी आहे, मला दोन डोळे आहेत. आय हॅव टू आईज, द वर्ल्ड इज माइन. म्हणून हे जग माझे आहे असं कवयित्री म्हटलेले आहेत. इन थर्ड स्टांजा, later walking down the street I saw a child with eyes of blue. He stood and watched the orphan play. It seemed he knew not what to do. I stopped a moment. Then I said, "Why don't you join the others, dear?" He looked ahead without a word, and then I knew he could not hear. Oh God, forgive me. When I whine, I have 2 ears. The world is mine. Pa, the speaker was later walking down the street. I saw a child with eyes of blue. The speaker was walking down the street. She saw a child with blue eyes. He stood and watched the others play. It seemed he knew not what to do. The child was watching other boys playing. The speaker thought that the boy did not know what to do. I stopped a moment, then I said, "Why don't you join the others, dear?" That time she went to the child and asked him why he did not play with other boys. He looked ahead without a word, and then I knew he could not hear. Oh God, forgive me when I whine. I have 2 ears. The world is mine. The child did not say anything and looked ahead. Later, the speaker came to know that the child was deaf and could not hear anything. So, the speaker felt bad for him. She prayed to God, "Forgive me." When she complained, the speaker considered herself lucky that she had 2 ears and could hear anything. In fourth stanza, with legs to take me where I shall go, with eyes to see the sunset's glow, with ears to hear what I would know. Oh God, forgive me when I whine. I am blessed, indeed the world is mine. Paha, in the last stanza, the poetess thinks that she can go anywhere with her legs, with legs to take me where I shall go. In the last stanza, the poet thinks that she can go anywhere with her legs, with eyes to see the sunset's glow. She can see the scenes like sunset's glory with her eyes, with ears to hear what I would know. Here, she can hear anything she likes by her ears. She urges God to forgive her. Oh God, forgive me when I whine. She urges God to forgive her whenever she complains. The speaker considered herself very blessed. I am blessed. The speaker was blessed that she is normal and can enjoy the things. That is why, so she says that the world is hers. So she says that the world is hers. Here some questions are there. Now you can read this poem again and again and answer the questions. Here we say that so many interesting examples are given in this poem. So here we see match the following. This is two columns are here, A column and B column. The beautiful girl, the answer, had a handicapped in her legs. Had a handicapped in her legs. The lad who was selling sweets was very thankful to the speaker in the poem. Third, the child watching others play. The answer is he was wearing impaired. The poet says the world is mine because he can experience the beauty and gifts of his life. So now I will finish this poem. Read this poem very carefully and write down all the answers of the questions. Thank you very much.